Hello, mapagpalang araw po sa inyo lahat. Hello everyone, to all people in the world. I have something to share to those people interesting in this video. Before anything else, maybe there is some people watching to my channel. I invite you to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like. Before I proceed in this very amazing technique, please support my channel, Dong Sir Adventure. Let's start now. This is the crankshaft pulley, and this is the marking for the pulley, crankshaft pulley marking. This is the pointer of the cover of the in front of the engine. This crankshaft pulley, the timing point for the crankshaft, and also the timing of injector, the correct timing for in the injector. See, this is the right timing for the injector. This is the injector. The injection pump, I mean, this is the injection pump, and this is the other one, timing gear. There is indicated 3. Very easy to replace or timing if you follow this video. This video is the best. I never see the other mechanic to show or he share her ability for the timing for the injection pump. For me, I'm do it my drawing, but this is a really good if you believe. And before that, you should put in the top dead center number 1, the piston. You should top dead this piston to the other one, and use the smallest screwdriver to say or to check if the piston is in the top dead center position. Open the fuel injection, open, and put the screwdriver on the top. You can see the piston is on the top. This is tractor TD5 100 New Holland. The running mate for the piston number 1 is number 4. This is the end of my video. If you like this video, please like, or don't forget to skip my ads so that you support or help my channel to grow up. I'm your service. I'm your vlogs, Dong Sir Adventure, for the next video. And don't forget also to subscribe. Click the notification icon so that you are always updated to my uploaded videos. Thank you very much. I'm saying that the God loves all the people. God bless us all. Thank you. And thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.